So this video is going to be a get ready with me video. I don't know if it's going to be long depending on how I edit it, but I show you all the steps from foundation, brows, even this nice head wrap that I just made up, by the way. So it may be a lengthy video, not quite, you know, it is going to be a lengthy video. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you like get ready with me videos where I start from the rooter to the tutor, just give me a thumbs up and fling up a big finger and comment in the description bar below. Alright guys, enjoy the video. Get ready with me video. So I always see what's her name again, and I watch her almost every single day. This is horrible. I always see ShanXO do these. So she's the very first one I see that started doing chit chat get ready with me videos, and I figured that I want to do something like that, but I don't know how the time going to go. So now I'm just moisturizing with MAC strobe cream. And this was in what's in my bag video because I had bought it from MAC today. Alright, the next I'm going to do my brows. And wearing MAC's strobe cream out here in Jamaica, to me it don't make a difference. Like, I don't feel a difference or anything like that. I detailed the brow video in the description bar below, so you can check that out. I have several ways of doing my brows. Today I'm just going to do them normally, nothing too extra. To grab my angle, wait, where's my, yeah, my angle pencil here, and then I'm going to take my level 11 by Ruby Kisses and angularize my brows. You see these two big things here? Oh my god, those aren't even bumps, those are just like craters in my face. There were bumps before, and then they turned scars, because you know everybody gotta graduate, boom. Everybody gotta graduate. Where's my spoolie? Lord Jesus, we approach your throne, and all I wanna do is pray. You on and on. Ooh, we approach your throne. Yeah.
Ooh. Yes, that's my first sip I've ever had. I ever took. Oh my god, that is good. This is some good tea. Yes. Waiting for the tea.
Okay, so let's move on to my foundation. And for my foundation, I'm going to use Shades by Gal in Rich Bronze. Oh crap, I didn't get my beauty blender wet and ready. Lord Jesus, we approach your throne, and all I wanna do is praise. You on and on. Yeah, we approach your throne. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna take my Sedona Lace 602 brush, and I have discount code. I have a discount code in the description bar for you guys, and I have some surprise in the description bar for you guys as well, so check that out. But my Sedona Lace 602 and my MAC Fix Plus. And I always wonder why people spray like Fix Plus or water on their brushes. It really does help, like the foundation, to blend out better on your skin. It really does. Oh, for the stick foundation for Shades by Gal, you can use the code Lyric. What is that? Oh, can't remember the code, but I'll leave the code in the description bar for you guys, and you can use the code and get, I think it's 20% off, I think, of the stick foundations and the contour palette. So I'm going to prime my eyes with e.l.f.'s eyelid primer, and I have other eyelid primers, Urban Decay, Lorac, but for some reason I've been using the e.l.f. eyelid primer like crazy. what I want to do for next year is I want to have monthly favorites, which is going to force me to try a new product and bring you guys some versatility, because I don't think I bring much versatility to my YouTube channel. So that's why I wanted to just talk through get ready with me video. Alright, so to highlight my face, I'm using my LA Pro Conceal in Warm Honey. So to highlight, I'm using Ben Nye banana powder, which if you guys have any suggestions for any other highlights, I am open, because you guys know this is all I use, right? And to apply that, I'm using my Sedona Lace 602 brush. Do I have two 602? Oh yes, so this one is for my powder and the other one is for my creams. So I have that on. Next I'm going to take my Sedona Lace 928 brush and Avon's 1207 Fawn, guys. Somebody can't serve for me. So my mommy no longer sells Avon. Oh, I told you guys I need to go and look on that video, because I asked you guys to give me some suggestions for a press powder. I think I'm going to buy the mineralized skin finish from MAC or the Studio Fix powder. Yeah, because that's nice and full coverage. So next I'm taking my Shades by Gal contour kit, highlight and contour kit. I'm taking this color over here. Oh, and I use my Sedona Lace 312 brush. Let's just say all the brushes that I'll be using are by Sedona Lace. So yeah, so taking the same color. This is the LBO5, a part of the Essentials collection. I think there are 4 brushes in this collection with like the rose gold ferrule. So taking that same color to low light. Then I'm going back with my 928 that I use for my all over face powder with the Avon powder. I'm just going back to blend out the edges to soften anything that needs to be softened. And I'm going to take this light side right here and my 224. I'm just putting it right in the middle. And the reason I'm putting it in the middle is because my face here is flat. So by adding a lighter color in the middle, it gives it a more three-dimensional look, and that area pops out. Alright, so let's move to the eyes. So the eyes, I'm not going to be doing anything dramatic. I'm going to keep it as simple as possible. I wanted to do a cut crease, but I don't know if I'm feeling a cut crease right now. Okay, so I'm taking shades by Jewelz Sienna. It's a gel liner. So I'm putting that all over my lid just to create a nice base for the color that I'll be applying. That's on there. Then I'm going to take my EB21 brush, and I'm going to blend out the edges. Alright, so I've been vlogging a lot lately. My vlog channel is Lyric Uncut. I'll have it linked in the description bar below, right? So I've been doing that lately a lot. I have another vlog that I need to edit and upload to that. So yeah, you guys have been asking for more vlogs. I listened, I then delivered. Taking my 954 brush, and I'm going to take this color right here and just pat that all over the lid and bring that up into the crease a little bit. So then I'm going to blend out those edges with my EB09 brush. And then for my brow bone area, I'm going to take my 941 and my Shades by Gal Deep / Dark Baked Hydrating Foundation. It's not that dark, it's very light for dark. Put that on my brow bone to set it in place and to also blend it out as well. Then I'll be taking my Lena lashes, and I believe this is which one is this? I think this is Sasha. I think so. I think this is Sasha. They just kind of look like this. So I believe these are Sasha. Alright, so I'm just going to wrap my hair.
I'm at the stand firm.
No.
Despite the situation. Yeah. J Project.
Firmer than a million soldier ready for launch attack. Firmer than the Eiffel Top. Firmer than when you press your clothes and you use starch a lot. Firmer than the escape out of Saddam and Gomorrah. Me attack a lot. Stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis all around we stand. I beg you stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis all around we stand. I beg you stand firm. Greater is he who's planted just like a tree. He shall not wither in any season. He shall not lose one leaf. Stop on Jesus Christ if you lean on and be strong. And like the cliche say, stand up firm just like a lily on the house. So when all around is like quicksand, just lift hands to the King and stick to Jesus. like he's your Siamese twin. I never depart from him, never stay far from him. I never you surrender. Stand firm with everybody round you want to get the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis all the robbery. Stand I beg you stand firm with everybody round you want to get the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis all the robbery. Stand I beg you stand firm. Like the great wall down in China, me Satan get behind her. Blessed is the man that walking up with the ungodly. We never join that. See up on the right part, never slide back. Never use someone, never lie back. Pick yourself up off the ground when Satan want you never hear back. When they are you, me want decider. Want me one of them sheep because nothing now when me glider. Not support terrorism, I act to terrorism. This stand firm just like the youth them with them a hunting a Al-Qaeda. Stand firm with everybody round you want to get the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis all the robbery. Stand I beg you stand firm with everybody round you want to get the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis all the robbery. Stand I beg you stand firm. Greater is he who's planted just like a tree.
Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to be wearing shades by Jewelz Marilyn, and it's like an orange. I'm going to line my lips with Miss Kalish 208 lip liner. Yeah, way better. I'm going to line my eyes with a black eyeliner pencil. I think I'm going to be doing blush today. Let me grab my brush, and I think I want to use oh, I haven't used this in a while. Okay, I don't want to use this anymore. Yeah, I think I'm going to use my It's Your Face Cosmetics Baked Blush, and it's in Nectar. Is that color? And this is my FB01 by Sedona Lace. And of course, can't forget about my glow, and I'm going to use Max Double Definition Extra Dimension Skin Finish, and I'm using the dark side up here first, putting it right on top of the blush. So the blush gave me that nice color, and then the highlight just gave me that glow. And I flipped the brush around using the light side now, and I'm going right on top of where I laid the first the dark color, so you can see it there. Alright, but I think I want to line my eyes with the purple. So I use, of course, Shades by Jai, and I use this purple just to put in my crease. So I'm going to use it to do that. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Very ethnic, I guess, because I've been feeling an ethnic vibe lately. I'm not very sure what's going on, but yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. Don't forget that description bar, links, discounts will be in the description bar, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.